Problem 96. What is the total surface area in square centimeters of the closed box shown above? To find surface area, use the formula. SA equals 2 times H times W plus H times L plus L times W, where L is the length, W is the width, H is the height of the rectangular prism. This formula accounts for the areas of all 6 rectangular faces of the prism. 2 L times W faces top and bottom. 2 L times H faces front and back. 2 W times H faces sides. For this problem, length is 50, width is 40, and height is 20. To find the surface area, plug in the length, width, and height of the prism into the formula and calculate it.